Welcome to a random vlog and welcome to the craziest of mornings. Okay, we're trying to get the boys out for school. I'm taking my medicine. I have like undiagnosed IBS, but it's been a problem for many years. And then this is, I don't know, I got this off of one of those infomercials before a YouTube video. It was an ad and I literally ended up watching it for like 40 minutes and I ended up buying it. It's from Beverly Hills MD. It's their dermal repair complex. There's 60 in here and this is my third one. Homework's in there. Got it. Oh, last two. I ordered like the 6-month supply. So I have another one to go. But anyway, it's got collagen in it. It's all like natural, good for you. It's a whole thing. I'll try to find the infomercial that I watched and link to it, but essentially it's supposed to be good for like your skin, elasticity, anti-aging, all of that. So these are my daily pills. And then, oh, do you want to take your gummy? The kids get these Zarbee's multivitamin with, I think they have elderberry in them for their immune system. Benny doesn't like them. You don't want one, Ben, right?
No.
He doesn't like these. We like the other ones. Okay, we gotta get these boys to school. I have like a boatload of appointments today that I didn't realize I had planned all in one day. I have my dermaplaning appointment, so I'm gonna take you along on that with Kelsey. And then actually after I drop the boys, I'm going to get these brows done. They are so desperate. That's why I don't really have any makeup on. You got your bunny. And I have a massage at 4:30 today. So we're gonna take you around. Look at these flowers that my manager sent me. They're like the prettiest. They're from Farm Girl Flowers, which is always my go-to when I want to get flowers for someone. Are we ready, little ones? Dan took Addie to school already. Ready, Ben?
Yeah. Mom, look. I put these inside.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Packing up the.
Mom, do I need a sweatshirt?
Yes, you need a sweatshirt. In the car. Open that in your mouth.
I like it, Mom.
Packing up the backpacks with toys, not actual stuff that they need. Shoes, Ben.
What?
We'll put your shoes on.
What?
Go put your shoes on.
Okay.
Leah, where's your shoes?
I'm gonna get my black one.
Okay, good idea. I wanted to fill a tumbler with water too. Have you guys seen the new Starbucks one? I was able to grab it. Actually, it's been at my Starbucks and Target for a long time. Doesn't seem like it's that hard to find. They also have a hot yellow one out right now. Oh boy, that I want so bad. My Target, you're going your red ones? I've only been able to find it in the like 16-ounce size, and I like the big guy, the 24. And I try to drink at least 3 of these a day. Okay, we gotta go get in the car. Here's your water. Huh? You said you didn't want it in there. We're ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Mom, I put my water in here.
Yeah.
Is that okay for my homework? It's a little crumbled up, but
Yeah, that's fine. Take your backpack off. You can't sit in your chair with your backpack.
Mom, this backpack. So, Mom, I want to buckle myself.
You can buckle the top one. Sit down.
I can buckle the top one. Mommy, I can actually see when I put this on like this. Look.
Hold on, Leo. Wait, don't buckle that yet. Wait.
Look, see, Mom? Wait, no. Not like that. Look, Mom, see, I can actually.
Yeah.
I can
Don't
see.
do that while you're outside running. You'll fall.
It's
Here, let's
okay.
fix it.
I can see.
Okay, shut your door, Ben.
I can still see, Mom. Hello, guys. Mom, Mommy, see, guys. My bee don't jiggle jiggle. My bee don't jiggle jiggle. So see wiggle wiggle. So mixing a double double. Boo what about that? Where are they? Sippy to couple. Ducky to couple. Mom, can you put a cowboy on?
What?
Can you put a cowboy on?
Yeah.
Can you not put a cowboy on? I want you to put. Benny, no! I want Mom, put a cowboy on! No, Thomas Red. No! Let's cowboy.
Okay, first Love is a Cowboy, and then we'll put Thomas Rhett. Deal?
All songs are by Thomas.
Deal?
Yeah, like first one song for the cowboy, and then we do Thomas Red.
How good is this sweater for the fall? It's like all the fall colors. It's from Target. I'll link it. Going to see my friend Amanda. She started doing my eyebrows when I was in high school in 2002. 20 years. That's crazy. In the last like year, like 6 months or so, I stopped waxing them because I feel like A, it may have been making my melasma in that area worse, and B, I was having chemical peels done, and so my skin was a little bit more sensitive. So now I just get them tweezed, which I could do myself, but honestly, and I do like to try to clean them up, but honestly, she is just so good at the shape, and sometimes I feel like when I pluck my own eyebrows, I like pull from the wrong spot. And at least with my brows, because they're so thick and I like them thick, like one little brow out of the wrong place throws them off. So I just don't trust myself, but they are like caterpillars. I need them done so bad. I haven't had them laminated in a while. I don't really feel like I need to because they still have a lot of movement and they still spike up really well. But that's where we're going. And then after that, I have my dermaplane appointment with Kelsey, where they essentially just shave your face, all the peach fuzz and dead skin, and leave you glowing. Kind of like stinks because Mondays and Thursdays are the only 2 days a week that both like all the kids are in school. Leo only goes to school 2 days a week, so those mornings, and he's only in school from like this time, which is like 9:15 to I pick him up at 12:30. So and by the time I get home, I maybe have like 2.5 hours before I have to get back in the car to go get him. So it stinks because I would really like to just go home and get work done, but I really need my brows done. I've had this appointment like rescheduled a couple times, so it needs to get done. I just realized my cross is backwards, I think. Yeah, I gotta flip it around. I kind of feel like I'm wasting the time, but at the same time, this is stuff that needs to get done, so we gotta go get it done. I needed that brow fix so bad. So bad. I look like a different person. This is the black honey that I love from Clinique. It's my favorite for fall. And I just got to this place to have my face dermaplaned and get all this dry skin and peach fuzz mustache hairs. I know. Oh my God, look at all that stuff coming off.
I know.
I love it. I was so overdue because I had it scheduled and then I missed that appointment.
How was your trip?
All done. My skin feels amazing. I don't want to keep touching it, but I want to keep touching it. It just feels like a baby's bottom. and so much crap came off. I did film a little bit while I was in there, which you'll probably see before this clip, but that's gonna be it for a little while here. Anything done to my face, because I'm doing that PicoSure laser. I start in like 2 weeks. Like no chemical, I usually do a chemical peel in the fall, but no chemical peels, micro needling, but the dermaplaning I will keep up with, because it's so good to just like get all the dead and flaky and peach fuzz off. So now I have about an hour to kill before I have to get Leo from school. I leave Bentley there, so then I only have to pick up him and Addie and make one more trip out. So I think I'm gonna go find something to eat now and break my fast, and I'll check in with you guys a little later. I'm gonna probably try to do some work in the car while I wait. Okay, I stopped at Panera and I got my tried and true. It's back for the fall, the Cinnamon Crunch Latte. I gotta say, I've been like, about Starbucks lately. Ever since I discovered I have this like lactose thing. I think I have like a lactose allergy and I can't enjoy the pumpkin cold foam. I'm just like meh about Starbucks. So I've been making my coffees at home, but this is their Cinnamon Crunch Latte. I don't get the topping and I only get 1 pump. They usually put 3 pumps of cinnamon, and I get almond milk. And then this is so good from Panera. I get this all the time. It's their warm, one of their warm bowls. It's like a salad, but it's got like rice, and it's like a rice bowl. They call it a warm bowl, but it's the Baja chicken salad. It has avocado. It has tomatoes, tzatziki sauce, some beans. It's just really good. So I'm gonna sit and eat this, answer some emails, and then go get one of the boys. We just got home, and so when you pick up the kids past like a certain time, they all go together in like a aftercare type situation. And Bentley, I leave him there until like 3, like I said, because I go pick up him and Addie at the same time. But Leo and Bentley were both together today in that class when I went to pick them up, and Leo can't stay because he's not potty trained. So that's been motivating for him and for me, because he wants to stay obviously with Bentley and like all his little friends, but potty training has just not been easy. And so anyway, Bentley ran over and I was like, do you want to stay longer? He was like, yeah. So I left him there a little bit longer, and I'll go back and pick him up. I didn't think he wanted to come back now, but he's always like the timid one. And last year he was very like, wanted me to pick him up right after lunch and not stay. But now when I pick him up, even when I pick him up at 3, he's like, I wanted to stay longer. You have a little half of a sandwich to finish. Finish your sandwich. So yeah, but I just want to get Leo potty trained, so at least I can leave him, not all the time. Like I wouldn't leave Leo there full days yet. Bentley like technically should be in kindergarten, so I want him to get used to the longer days, because he would have been, and he's going to be next year. But on days when I'm like in a bind or running late or want to make an appointment or something, it would be nice to be able to leave Leo there longer too. But the potty training has been such a challenge. It was definitely not this challenging with the other 2. Leo's like very aware, and we talk about it all the time. We sit on the potty, but nothing happens. And so changing his diapers now, I just get so annoyed every time, because I'm like, these are like real human size poops. But we've literally tried it all. Bribing, candy, Target trips. I'll buy you anything you want. We've gone without the diaper, and we just like chase him around all day. He's just, so that's where we're at. Probably have lines on my face. So naked, I had to take all my jewelry off. It's all like on the top of my car. But I think I might end this here, because we're gonna go home and have dinner, do the homework. Love 4th grade homework. And call it a night. It's felt like Friday all day, and I kind of love that it's only Thursday, because I don't know, there's just something about having like that one more day to like tie up loose ends with work, get like your stuff done so you can just relax for the weekend. We have soccer games back to back Saturday and Sunday. I'm hoping to do the pumpkin patch, but it's supposed to rain on Saturday. And what else? We have a Hocus Pocus party Saturday night. Addie's little girlfriend's putting one on for the second Hocus Pocus movie. So that's where we'll be Saturday night. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't think I'm coming back, so just in case I don't. Thank you for watching and being here. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. Dan ended up getting the kids from school on his way home, so that was nice. And that's all. Oh, I did want to tell you that I have, yeah. You know these impression bracelets that I'm obsessed with? They did one for breast cancer. It actually just launched today, Thursday, but Friday, you'll see this. It's only $35 when you spend $40, and 10% goes to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. They're limited edition, so once they sell out, they'll be done. There's also pink, like hot pink fuchsia impression studs for $28 that you can grab. I'm going to be getting, I have my Pink Power impression bracelet on the way, just haven't gotten it yet. I'm going to get one for my mom too. I know breast cancer affects so many people, so just wanted to mention that if you wanted to support a good cause and get one or gift one, I'll put a link to it in the description box. What else? I had this, I should have showed you my arm party, but I like stripped all my jewelry to get this massage. This is the Harvest. This is still available. This is the baby signature, so it's a little bit different. It has a toggle clasp and there's some like detail on the sides. That's really pretty. So that's a style drop as well. What else did I wear today? Oh, these are the royal cuffs. I think maybe my next video, maybe next week, I'll do like an update, because I feel like I haven't really done a Park Lane video since I started, and my collection has gotten quite big. This is the royal bangle. I love this one. I have it in rose gold too. And this is the Darcy. It's like a pulley crystal bangle. So yeah, maybe next week's video I will do a update and just show you like most of the jewelry that I have now, because I have quite the collection. Show you my favorites. Yeah, other than that, I wanted to just share, because I know there's so many luxury lovers here, that I am in the market for a Chanel tweed bag. That's next on my wish list. I've been looking, they're hard to find, and I want a neutral. There's a lot of, on the pre-love market, there's a lot, but they're like very colorful and bright, and I just really want a neutral. So hopefully we'll have an unboxing here soon. I don't know. I've been like in touch with a couple personal sellers or personal shoppers, and some of my like essays within the boutiques, but they really don't have very much. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. That's the next handbag on my list. I've always wanted a Chanel tweed bag. I feel like it's just classic Chanel, but I've just never seen one that I love. But there's been one recently, just not like, I love it, but I'm like, do I want to do that, or do I want to keep shopping? I don't know. We'll keep you posted. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed spending some of the day with me getting pampered. I don't really consider what I did getting pampered. My eyebrows hurt like a biatch getting them tweezed, and the dermaplaning, not really a pampering, it's just like necessary so that all my skincare soaks in and my makeup goes on nicer. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope everybody is staying safe, doing well. If you live in Florida and you're being affected by this crazy storm, I'm thinking of you. I'm praying for you. It's devastating. I've been seeing stuff all over social media, and it's just heartbreaking. I cannot believe it's bad when they close Disney, because they never ever close Disney. And I'm just sad. But thank you guys for watching, and stay safe and be well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.